This is my Warwick Hot Rod Limited Edition 2005 model. This has been in my hands for more than 10 years. The age of this guitar is already 13 years old. And it has defective electronics. I'll be fixing those in a bit, so stay tuned. Say hello to Animal Planet. Yeah, it was a hard foot battle to remove the IC, but I finally got it. So I'll be connecting it now. It took me about 2 hours to remove that. It's so hard to remove it from here because it's double-sided. It was soldered on this side and this side as well. Yeah, and the area is so narrow I can't really cut the legs of the IC, but well, we got it through. And I did damage this piece here. I'm not sure if it's a capacitor or a resistor or something. I just hope that it's still gonna be functioning after that. It's gonna melt it. Yeah, let's see. So this is the original volume knob. This is also the original, what do you call this? Still a knob, whatever. And this one has a smaller hole compared to the pole of the new one. So we did a hard fought battle to drill holes to these knobs to make sure that it will fit, but I don't think I'm gonna like this because it damaged the color. So I got no choice but to put it in temporarily and then buy a new one. Let's see how it goes. Just as I thought, it's not gonna work well, so I'm gonna be purchasing a new one. I'm gonna wait for 3 to 4 weeks again.
3 to 4 weeks later.
Yeah, here we go. So this is what happens to have expensive guitars and then some components mess up. This one costs around 6,000 pesos and you can only order it online on the Warwick website, and the 6,000 pesos amount already cost the part and the shipping. So what I did is look for an alternative. This one costs around 300 pesos, but there's gonna be a big sacrifice for it. I cannot do the push-pull, passive, active modes anymore. I will not do the blend anymore. So what's gonna happen is that this volume will control the bridge, this volume will control the neck. Okay, so it's concentric, so 1, 2 for each pickup. Now, the biggest pain in the ass is deciphering the wiring here. Okay, so it's gonna be a big risk doing this, but I got no choice. So, good luck to me. Alright, so let me just cut the video off. I need to analyze the circuit. Hopefully I can make it well, do it well, wire it well. And I guess I'm gonna go in full active mode. I cannot switch off the preamp and go in passive mode. I just need to watch out the battery before it runs out. And while I'm gonna be doing a gig. Alright. Yeah, let's see. So... Wait, losing the focus. Come on, do it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so what I did is that I followed the color codes, connect them to whatever color they're the same at. I'm just not really sure if this one's going to work. So white is going to white, purple is going to purple, then gray is going to the output of the potentiometer. That's actually connected to the output of the jack, or the output of the bass. Then black goes to black. So, let's see. Alright, so here comes the risk.